Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum dear students. My name is Abdurrahman and today we will discuss about Adobe Photoshop. Today we start the lesson of Adobe Photoshop. In the lesson number 1 we will discuss about introduction of Adobe Photoshop and downloading, also with installation information. So let's start it. Adobe Photoshop is a graphic designing software. We already discussed about in-page and CorelDRAW that are also part of graphic designing. Adobe Photoshop, in-page and CorelDRAW are combined graphic designing software. In-page also used for Urdu writing in graphic designing like poetry or name, etc, etc. So graphic designing is a wide platform for working. Adobe Photoshop has a great value in graphic designing. In the starting of Adobe Photoshop launched, there was need of some making designs. So the first version of Adobe Photoshop was 1.1.0.87. It means Adobe Photoshop launched in the 1987 first time. When it was launched, it has very small tools, very small function, very poor functions. After the version, it has improved and also updates the version. The version of Adobe Photoshop is 7.0, is a basics version for beginners who want to learn for graphic designing. Adobe Photoshop 7.0 is the best. Now in the market there is many update, many latest version of Adobe Photoshop like CC, like CS. So we will work on 7.0 version. So let's start it. The downloading and installation, we will open our browser like Chrome, like Firefox. So I have both. I will open my Chrome browser. So click on the Chrome browser. Click on search bar and type Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop 7.0 free download and click enter. So first website you have C, web for PC. Click on this website and scroll down. These are interface screenshots of Adobe Photoshop in the working. So there is a button for download, so click here. It will take a small time and will show auto download shortcuts in the bottom of screen left side. So you can see here is downloading. It will take some time for downloading. So I have already downloaded the Adobe Photoshop 7.0 installation. So I am going to cancel and going to download folder in the partition of my PC. Here's download. I'm clicking on the download. Here's the setup of Adobe Photoshop 7.0. You can see. So double click on the shortcut. So I have also downloaded the filter. Click on the Adobe Photoshop 7.0 folder. So here's a setup shortcut. So double click on the setup. Click on yes. It will take some time to installation the installation time, duration of installation time, it's depend on your system properties, how many properties of your system like RAM, processor, it's. So click on next. Okay, set a language. I will set language US English. Next, accept. There is a need to fill some formalities like title. I have typed AR Diplomas in the title. Next, first name AR and middle name I, simply type I, and next last name I typed Diplomas, and company name I typed AR Diplomas. You can also type any name like with you like. Okay, so there is a need of serial number. For serial number, we will going back to the Adobe Photoshop software installation folder. As you can see, serial file. Alright, now if you don't find in the folder serial file, you can also search in the command folder. In the command file, you can find the serial number of Adobe Photoshop installation. So I'll open. Here is the Adobe Photoshop 7.0 serial number. You can see this one. I'll copy it. Select. Click right. Copy. Go back to the setup here and paste here. Click on the first box, first cell, and right click, paste. It's a serial number of Adobe Photoshop. Then click on next. Yes. Next. Next. Also click on next. Then it will take 100% the completing of setup installation. So wait for the installation. The installation of Adobe Photoshop 7.0 has been completed. Click on the display Photoshop readme file, uncheck, finish. Okay, so press the start button or window button plus T for going to directly on desktop. Here we cannot find the shortcut of Adobe Photoshop, so making a shortcut of Adobe Photoshop for opening and working, we have need to go the C partition for making the shortcut of Adobe Photoshop. So click on your PC, this PC, C partition, click on the program file 32-bit, second bit. Okay, click on the Adobe Photoshop 7.0, scroll down. Here is the Photoshop shortcut. Click on its right click. I have already pinned the start button, so I will going to start button. Here is the start button. Click here and you can see here shortcuts of Adobe Photoshop. So I'll click on the shortcut and move to the desktop and leave it on the desktop. As you can see the shortcut of Adobe Photoshop. I'm closing the browser file partition. So here's the Adobe Photoshop shortcut where you can working with double click. We will meet in the next lesson. So take care. Allah Hafiz.